If you've ever walked out to your side yard and seen a hail-dented air conditioner or heard one that sounds like a freight train, you know that technical specs on a brochure don't always tell the whole story. I spent years as a nuclear power electrician before I ever stepped foot in a customer's attic. That background in high-stakes electrical systems changed how I look at HVAC equipment. To me, it's not just about cooling, it's about build quality and protecting the electrical heart of your home. Today, we're doing a fair apple-to-apple comparison between the Amana ASXV9 and the Armstrong Air A7AC22V. When we look at these two ducted units, we're talking about ultimate tier equipment. Both of these models feature louvered steel coil protection. In the field, I call this superior armor. Unlike wire mesh or slotted panels that leave your delicate aluminum fins exposed to weed eaters and stray rocks, these heavy-duty louvered panels are the gold standard for durability. Both brands also include factory-installed compressor blankets. I love these because they dampen noise. This is where my electrical background gets excited. The Amana ASXV9 is a powerhouse with a SEER 2 rating of up to 23.5, while the Armstrong Air A7AC22V holds its own at 22.0 SEER 2. Both units utilize variable speed inverter compressors and variable speed condenser fans. Inverter technology is a game changer for your power bill. Instead of a massive inrush of current every time a single stage unit kicks on, which stresses your electrical panel and makes your lights flicker, these systems ramp up slowly and only use the exact amount of electricity needed to maintain your comfort. This is the make or break for most homeowners. Armstrong Air offers a solid 10-year parts and compressor warranty, along with a 10-year unit replacement pledge. That means if the compressor fails in the first decade, they replace the whole outdoor unit. But Amana takes it to another level. The ASXV9 comes with a lifetime compressor warranty and a lifetime unit replacement warranty for the original purchaser. In the world of who has your back, Amana is essentially saying they'll give you a new unit for as long as you own the home if that compressor ever quits. While both units offer elite build quality with louvered protection and high efficiency inverter tech, the winner is the Amana ASXV9. It edges out the Armstrong Air in raw electrical efficiency with a higher SEER 2 rating, and its lifetime unit replacement warranty is simply the strongest protection you can get in the industry today. To shop like a pro, head over to the HAC for Beginners website and use my head-to-head tool to compare over 170 models. Make sure you hit subscribe and like the video. See you on the next one.